Hi, this is Vinney Chopra. Over the decade, I've learned lots of tricks about multifamily syndication. It's a pretty lucrative field if you really put in the hard work, learn it, practice it, and be good at it. The very first thing is that you can make an acquisition fee of 3 to 5% of the total price of the deal. So if it's a $10 million deal that you're putting together, you can make $500,000 right there the day of closing, or 400 or 300. It depends how much you want to allocate in your underwriting and how the numbers will work and so forth like that. That's the first part. The second part is, as the quarterly or monthly cash flow you give out to the investors, you are also, they are equity investors. See, you are putting sweat equity into the deal. So you are on the loan, investors are not on the loan, you're qualifying, you're taking lots more bigger risk. So you are able to split the equity portions and cash flow portions into 65 for the investors and 35 for yourself, or 60 for the investors and 40 for yourself, for your company, for your team, for your partners, things like that. So that's the second thing what we get paid on. Every quarter when we write checks out to the investors to pay them the quarterly returns, we also get checked to the management side of the business proportionately 60-40 split right there every quarter. And then the third time we get paid is when we sell the property. Now, by selling the property means when we sell, if the appreciation has doubled the asset, the gain is going to be split again, 60% into the, with the investors, or 65%, and then 35 or 40% coming into the management team. So that's the third time, third ways we get paid as syndicators. As you know, so acquisition fee, the quarterly cash flows, splits, and also the equity gain. Now the fourth time you can also get paid is if you are self-managing the assets. Like in my companies, 4 companies that we built, we were also doing the asset management side of it, which is you are able to manage the properties very nicely on a daily, weekly, with the whole staff, which is of course underwritten by the property, the payroll and everything. But you are able to make 4% of the total rent collected, total income collected per month. So that's the fourth stream of income, if you're self-managing, will be coming into your also side of the business. So there are 4